Hey, what's up everyone? This is Michael from FASS Motorsports. We're here with Brandon, local customer and good buddy of ours. He brought his sweet 71 Ford up here to give us a little walk around.
It's a 1971 Ford F100. It's sitting on a 2001 F350 chassis and drivetrain. It's got the Ford 6.8 2-valve V10 in it with the automatic transmission. So it's running on I believe that's a Dana 60 front and a Sterling rear end. I believe it's got a 6-inch lift on it, 40-inch tires, big 20-inch wheels. The truck originally came out of California. It was a 2-wheel drive truck. I bought it off a gentleman in Reno, Nevada, who did all the fabrication work to it. Swapped in King Ranch interior, was able to retain the 01 dash and made that actually function with all the 71 parts. The windshield wipers still are on a little turn knob. It's got a pretty trick overdrive button built into the dash. The guy that originally built this truck, when he had the cab off, he stripped the interior. He replaced a couple floor pans just to make it a little more sound. Rhino lined the entire interior. New carpet, custom diamond stitched headliner. Swapped in a King Ranch seat. Very comfortable to drive. He utilized, like I said originally, the original dash out of the 01. Everything is wire loomed. It looks a factory underneath the dash. All the factory controls work as they should. He swapped all the lights on the interior to LED, which is pretty handy. All the lights on the exterior of the truck are also LED. Kind of cool to see in an old 71. It's just a cool patina truck. Kind of hard to find them like this anymore.
So even though the truck is running and rides great now, it's got great engine and transmission setup in there now, that you could always obviously do a lot more than how something is already set up. How would you guys like to see this set up in the future? Would you like to see some kind of cammed V8 with a blower on it, maybe some twin turbos on a Coyote, or maybe some diesel power?